Scots. You know me, I'm Lee, and welcome back to Scots Weekly.
Hey there, I'm Ian. We have information for you Scots about the restroom policy.
So listen up.
You can't use the restroom during the first and last 10 minutes of class. Now let's talk about some announcements for today.
Formal tickets are for sale, and they're approaching. Tickets will go on sale on December 19th.
The starting price is $50.
Each week following break, the price will increase by $10.
Please remember that to buy a ticket, you need to have a clear DEP and a physical copy of your school ID.
Want to know what you owe? Just go to Highlands Library webpage and click, "What do I owe?" Then you'll know if you do or not.
Hey Scots, I'm Ricky Villanueva. Let's talk about the cafeteria. Highland offers breakfast to lunch, dinner right after school, and snacks later in the day for students. The meals are free for all students. That's it for me. Back to the studio.
Thank you, Ricky.
We have a holiday event happening here at Highland.
Let's go with Daniel with some events happening around the school.
Hey Scots, I'm Danya, and listen up. Highland BSU presents Beanies, Blankets, and Bears. This event will lead from December 13th till the 21st. Bring items to room 16. And that's it for me.
Thank you, Danya.
Let's go with Isabel with Avid's College of the Week.
Hey Scots, I'm Isabel Clegg. It's time for Avid's College of the Week. This week our school is Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Fact 1, MIT has 800 companies collaborating on faculty and student research. Fact number 2, the campus has 19 student resident halls. Fact number 3, MIT has about 33,000 applicants for first-year admission, class of 2025, but only 1,365 admits. That's it for me, Scots.
Thank you, Isabel.
Listen up, seniors. These two announcements are for you. Baby pictures for your yearbook are due Friday, December 23rd. Use the QR code posted in your classes to submit. It's a green paper.
Plus, come by room 3E before Friday, December 23rd to make sure your senior picture for the yearbook is submitted and is correct.
Freshmen!
Listen up!
Check out this video.
Hey freshmen! Listen up! It's your first time having finals this year, so get ready by attending this event that Link Crew is throwing for you. December 20th, 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Yes, right after school. At the gym. Free cocoa with marshmallows, candy cane, whipped cream, and cookies. Be there. They will be having a special raffle and goodie bags.
Wow. That's a lot of information for you, Scots.
Well, that's it for today. And remember to
Plat up.
have a great day.
Wait. Be ready for the finals next week.